Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about AMP coin price prediction and AMP coin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AMP coin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Flexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward, but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers, where collateral partitions can be designated to collateralize any account, application, or even transaction, and carry balances which are directly verifiable on the Ethereum blockchain. Collateral managers are smart contracts that can lock, release, and redirect collateral in these partitions as needed, in order to support value transfer activities. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of predefined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about AMP coin. AMP crypto price prediction. A promising digital collateral coin. AMP, the token of the Flexa collateralized asset transfer network, continues to show sharply volatile traits, with a price chart punctuated by sharp rises and quick falls. For example, on 10 February it rose 14% and then lost most of it all in just 5 hours. The end result is little overall gain. Since its low after the January flash crash, it has put on 16% compared to leading cryptos such as Ether, ETH, and Bitcoin, BTC, which have surged 40% and 29% respectively in that period. Like many cryptos, AMP has a plausible use case, in this case helping to provide users with fast, secure transactions, but a general gloom is hanging over the cryptocurrency space can no doubt take some of the blame for the whereby an individual earns passive income in addition to their token price gain. As a whole, the rise of global token networks has fostered a spectrum of innovative projects with features specific to spending utility, low volatility protocols, pegged assets and synthetic commodities. The benefit of AMP is that the protocol provides a completely autonomous collateralization system. Typically, collateralization means that users are dependent on a third party. However, AMP removes this requirement by offering a decentralized digital alternative. Another major plus is that the AMP network provides real-time finality assurance, which gives a boost to the token. A drawback of cryptocurrency payments can be the time that transactions take to be completed at point of sale. What is especially unique about the AMP network is that users can collateralize their assets instantly. This makes the protocol both scalable and suitable for the needs of a growing digital economy. Not to mention that AMP users enjoy a high level of interoperability. As of June last year, the protocols fell to record lows early this week, hinting a capitulation in market bottom. Binance's 24-hour average basis spread between futures and spot prices reached a new all-time low on Monday of 1.17%, below the bottom 1.18% seen on July 21, 2021. This points towards a very pessimistic sentiment among leveraged traders, and, yes, a sign of capitulation, Elon, market analyst at Arcane Research, told CoinDesk in a Twitter chat. Offshore crypto trading platforms like Binance and Bybit offer relatively high leverage than the regulated Chicago Mercantile Exchange, and are considered a proxy for retail leveraged traders. While Binance offers 20x leverage, the CME offers 2 to 3x with much stricter margin requirements. Capitulation refers to a situation when traders liquidate their loss-making positions during extended market declines in fear of incurring deeper drawdowns. It's a sign of extreme pessimism and panic selling typically seen at the end of bear markets. So, the record low Binance premium perhaps indicates that Bitcoin's bear run, which began at dizzy heights of $69,000 in mid-November, has run its course. Supporting that conclusion is the relative optimism on Chicago Mercantile Exchange, which represents institutions and large traders. The CME 3-month rolling premium has stabilized in the 2% to 3% range since hitting lows under 1% in January, data provided by crypto derivatives research firm Q-Show. Last week, the world. Moreover, the reports were reviewed by other U.S. government partners, including the Department of Justice, the Department of Homeland Security and the FBI. There could not be a more authoritative source to convey these findings. Of course, the Treasury's reports confirm what industry participants have demonstrated for years. The most recent edition of the Crypto Crime Trends report published by blockchain analysis firm Chainalysis, for instance, found that just 0.15% of cryptocurrency transaction volume in 2021 involved illicit addresses. The recent arrest of the alleged Bitfinex hackers and the seizure of nearly 100,000 Bitcoin also demonstrates that moving large sums of money on a public network that can be monitored from a Raspberry Pi isn't as easy as, well, Pi. But the reports also confirm what we know from common experience. that we use Bitcoin far more frequently for storing wealth and sending money to family members, and reducing emissions and making micropayments, and fleeing the freaking Taliban, than for illicit finance. How much will AMP cost in the next 10 years? AMP rate prediction 2022. The value of AMP will continue to rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2022 is bullish. AMP is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.037 by the end of 2022, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of AMP will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of AMP will be between $0.031 and $0.032 expected in 2022 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of AMP ranges from $0.031 to $0.037 for 2022. AMP rate prediction 2023. It appears that by 2023, AMP prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $0.045. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that AMP's maximum price could be up to $0.053 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. AMP rate prediction 2024. AMP has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in AMP, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.076. AMP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.066, a minimum price of $0.064, and a maximum price of $0.076. AMP rate prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of AMP will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.094, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2025. AMP rate prediction 2026. For a long-term forecast of the AMP price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average AMP price will rise to around 13 cents by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 16 cents with a minimum price level 13 cents. AMP rate prediction 2027. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. AMP could cross 22 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2027. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2027 will be around 18 cents. AMP rate prediction 2028. AMP will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the AMP rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2028, the AMP rate will be almost 26 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 30 cents. AMP the average price forecast for the end of 2028 could be around 27 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.